All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Drip Network paying 1% a day. We're going to talk about that a little bit later. So today we're talking about baby Bitcoin. That's right. I did a video about 3 months ago, and I got some people asking me to do another one. So it's been a little bit of time. Baby Bitcoin, and guess what? It's up tremendously right now. We're going to talk about that in a minute or two, but this baby Bitcoin is up a lot right this second. We're going to go to the website. Also, they're doing things with online casinos, baby Bitcoin. We're going to go over that. And then at the end, we're going to talk about one in the middle. We're going to talk about Drip Network a little bit for everybody who hasn't seen Drip Network. I'll put my link in the bottom if you need a friend. Making 1% per day. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but every day they're paying the 1%, which is fantastic. All right, let's go ahead. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, learn about passive income in the crypto arena or regular arena, all kinds of good stuff. All right, everybody, let's head over to baby Bitcoin. All right, so taking a look at baby Bitcoin. Holy cow, it's up 61%. It's doubled. Like if you were 200 pounds and you gained 100, it'd be 50% up. They 61% in the last 7 days. Baby Bitcoin is blasting off. Clicking it. All right, there's a lot of zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and a 3109. Down slightly, but it's up 60%. So the little 2%, I can't even count that because it's up 60% in 7 days. The coin is ranked 5650 on Coin Market Cap. If you want to go look at this yourself, it takes you right there, 5650. All right, so kind of taking a look here in the last 1 month view, this kind of shows you what it just did here recently. Holy cow. So baby Bitcoin is up 60%, and it says right here, the Prince of Crypto, over at the website. Did you miss the trip that our father Bitcoin took? We still have time to join us on our new journey. Follow the footsteps of the greatest coin of all time. So baby Bitcoin, this is the baby. The world of baby Bitcoin, the strength of the community. Says baby Bitcoin is not just another token, it's a community-based ecosystem. Our most important asset aimed at providing functionality and assets that are interesting, entertaining, and profitable. We work on various projects such as online radio, virtual casinos, and the accept baby Bitcoin online games, lotteries, NFTs, satellite tokens, which have been driven and grown of the BBTC, and much, much more. Grow and help grow. You know, again, baby Bitcoin, I haven't done a video in 3 months, and a lot of people are asking about this. I don't think a lot of people know about baby Bitcoin. It's so deep on the market, 5,200 instead of in the top 100, so it's kind of important to go through all this stuff. And we believe that one of the ways to bring real benefits to society is focusing on mitigating children's vulnerability. Through collaborating and association to charge the managing and logistics of this work, we not only think of investors' benefits, we also got the idea of this change. So take a look at baby Bitcoin right there with the sunglasses on, jamming in a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. He's got the little Bitcoin tires. Oh boy. Smart economy. Baby Bitcoin aims to provide through transactional tax system continuous benefits for the project holders. A 5% tax is charged on each transaction. This percentage is distributed to the holders continuously. Soon, our satellite token system will be added for liquidity and continuous investments in BBTC to boost the growth. Now, again, baby Bitcoin, the prince of crypto right here. You know, the tokenomics, 57% was burned, 20% liquidity, market and charitable, 13%, development and partners, 10%. Passive rewards, they talked about that 5% tax right there. The percentage is distributed to the holders continuously. All right, jumping over here to the Twitter account, baby Bitcoin. You're looking at this right here. You can kind of probably see this in the casinos or something. Pretty good thing going on right there. All right, back down here at the roadmap. It's got your roadmap, baby Bitcoin, the first satellite project on the ecosystem. You can kind of go around here. This is February of 2022, which is right now. The satellite projects are utilities and independent applications, but under the umbrella of the BBTC ecosystem. The idea behind this is to provide direct and indirect benefit between all upcoming and existing projects within the ecosystem. Working on functionality between these projects is also one of the goals. So it's going to have the whole roadmap right here, which is fantastic. We're going to come back to baby Bitcoin in a little bit. So what about this drip network? So we've been talking about passive income, talking about different things we're getting into. So I ended up getting into drip maybe 2.5, 3 weeks ago. Put a little bit of money in there. Let's check out the drip network. It pays 1% a day. Here we go. All right, so we're over here at the faucet, and I got $11 in my drip. I actually hydrated early this morning before I left. So we're going to actually do the hydrate here. But look what it actually says. It says the drip network faucet is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similar to high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 1% daily return on your investment up to 365%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, compounded rewards, as well as through team-based referrals. Got to have a buddy in order to actually play. I'll put my link in the bottom. Click in the white pages. It says introducing drip. We're not going to do a whole drip video on this one. We're just going to cover a couple things. But I like this one right here. It says compounding like a boss, the whale tax. And here's Einstein right there. It says right here on the compounding like a boss, drip can be deposited into a drip faucet contract to provide a constant 1% daily return up to 365% of the initial principal amount. For participations over time, additionally, players can add their WNNB into the reservoir contract to become a permanent liquidity provider for drip and earn more rewards indefinitely. Every time you actually put money in, there's a 10% tax. When you hydrate your money, there's a 5% tax. When you take the money out, there's a 10% tax. All right, so literally, I actually got in, I think the coin was like 84, 85, and then it's up to 130. I actually put about $2,200 of my own money into this, and it's already at 39.07. So 1% moved the decimal point. I'm actually getting about $39 a day right now. I'm going to go ahead and compound this $11. It's real easy. We're just going to hit hydrate right here. My wallet comes up. It's a 5% tax. Confirm it. And then over here, you're going to see compound successful. It says 39.04 is what's in my account right now. 39.04. Give it a second. Takes maybe 10, 15 seconds. Boom. Compound is successful, your transaction link. So we hit OK, 39.04. And take a look. My account went from 39.04 to 39.16. So now I actually added more to my drip account. So thing I'm going to say, I'm going to link a video on this at the end here that you can go check out the drip video that I actually did. It's like 24 minutes long. We really go into it. We do some projections and this and that. Now remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. This is something that I'm doing for passive income with the Drip Network. They got the animal farm that just launched, all kinds of good stuff. But again, I am not a financial planner. This is all for educational purposes only. Having a great time, having a good time with all my friends. All right, let's go ahead and head back over to baby Bitcoin. You know, they're talking in April, they're going to do the BBTC boxing arena. That looks pretty good. The lottery V2 in April and May of 2022. Staking platform, ecosystem tools, mega festivals. I mean, all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to go through everything. I want to go to the bottom here, and I want to take a look at some of these events here. So some of the things that they're actually doing, I'm going to check this one, next one out right here, casino. So baby Bitcoin is in casinos. That's actually fantastic. All right, so just looking through a couple of these things here. Starting at the first one, BBTC Urban Festival. Fantastic. BBTC casinos are here, so that's fantastic. Casinos big launch. You can click right here and read more about that. Baby Bitcoin in the Big Apple. Take a look at that. That's fantastic. I like to see that. That was in November. Baby Bitcoin has been audited, so that makes you feel good that they're, legal tender and everything checks out. And Baby Bitcoin NFTs Halloween edition. All right, back over here, Baby Bitcoin. Again, this token is up 62%. I mean, that's crazy in the last 7 days. Baby Bitcoin right there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and a 314. What's my price prediction? Again, when the coin goes up this much, 31.14 to maybe 31.24. I don't know for sure. Again, all the information is for educational purposes only because it's up so much. You kind of want to let it settle here for a little bit. I mean, or maybe this thing will just ride to the moon or maybe to come back down. So again, my price prediction is to keep an eye on it right this second because it's up so much at 62%. But again, baby Bitcoin, my second video, a lot of people were asking about this. So we wanted to do a baby Bitcoin video for everybody. All right, everybody. A little bit about the Drip Network. I'll put my referral thing on the bottom if you want to become a buddy. You have to have a buddy link. It's a good platform. I just started it literally not even 2.5 weeks ago. So over time, in 3 months and 6 months, I'll kind of go over everything where we're at and stuff. Baby Bitcoin, again, I've been getting asked to do a video on it, so we did it. Fantastic. They've been seen in New York on Times Square, all kinds of good stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey everybody, all our information is for educational purposes only. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we'll see you a little bit later on tomorrow.